Insanity.
Yeah.
Right.
And get off that cycle of insanity for sure.
Right.
Brian, you were here with one of Suzanne's friends. Tom has known Suzanne for many years.
Yes, for many years.
Hi, you guys.
We used to be at home shopping together.
Yeah.
Hi.
Tom's bringing his Casio keyboards to us now.
You should bring it over here and play a little music for us.
Tom.
We can do that.
Okay, good.
Do you have $1 for his tip jar? Yes, then he's coming over.
50 cents is okay.
Speaking of insanity, we are going to have an insanely good time because all of you music lovers, we're going to teach you how to make music. If you've never, ever used a keyboard in your life, you've never even been near a piano, when you get this home, the teacher is inside. This is sold out in the past. It's going to sell out again, and the only quantity we're able to get is what we've got now for the holidays. Notice the keys light up. It shows you how to play. And we're talking more songs, more rhythms, more built-in music, and the world is your oyster. Because through the electronics inside, you can bring in any music to any song you like. So the possibilities are endless. And we've got 5 value pays. So for under $35, you're making music this holiday season instead of just playing it in a CD. So we've got that, a GPS, we've got the radar detector. We've got all kinds of great gifts for all of you.
Tons of stuff.
Hey, Brian.
I think you've got a request. Yes, Kimberly.
You got to come over, and Suzanne says it's good to be an altar boy.
I'll be over there in a few.
You know, I'm going to dance on that altar, and he's going to play the music.
All right, sounds good. We'll see you in just a minute.
What key?
All right,
Don't worry about it. It's going to light up for you.
00807. It's the
Am I
musical
playing or
medley.
you playing?
I'd rather how this works. Tell Suzanne quick. How does this work?
How does it work?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you quick. What happens is there are 400 different sounds, and there are 110 different songs. You choose a song you like. We're going to take a holiday song. You put your hand on the light, and I guarantee that you will not sound bad.
Can you lower these lights a little bit and see the
all
red
you
light?
got to do, if you can see the light a little bit, if you can lower the broadcast lights a little bit, they'll be able to see it. Suzanne can see it. Though, watch
Follow
Suzanne
the
play.
red light.
It's all about the
No,
lights.
follow the light.
Okay.
Just touch it. That's it. Good girl. That's it. Anyone can play. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter how young you are.
How cool is that?
Now,
Brian,
for the
let's see.
audience that is watching right now, we're just now lowering the keys a little bit, the lights in the studio. This is what Suzanne is seeing. Good girl. Sometimes the notes repeat. They're cool to the touch. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to play, I guarantee it. I know that Suzanne's got a lot of musicality. She's a great singer. But she's not a keyboard player, really.
Yay!
There you go. All right, now, here we go. You got this hand, you got this hand. Here's the musical challenge.
Okay.
See who's going to touch the light. Touch it, make it go out. Make it out. Go out. Go. That's it. Keep touch it. That's it. It's when it gets close to you, touch the light. It's going to skip down. Here you go. Yours. Good. 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 What this does is this allows you to have scores and learn how to combine your hands and have fun. Back off. Bravo. Stay tuned. We're going to have a great show coming up for you. Brian.
Next time, bring your nickels. We'll have a competition for nickels.
All right, coming up next hour. Thank you guys so much. So much fun.